Hello, you're very welcome to this session on IGEL in higher education. Over the next few minutes together, we will explore how IGEL has helped to secure endpoints, has simplified management, and ultimately enhanced user experience at institutes of higher education. IT admins at university have many challenges and complexities to deal with. They have a patchwork of IT infrastructure. They have geographically dispersed campus locations. Distant education programs have become even more popular. And all of this is underpinned by budget constraints. On both sides of the pond, so-called pond, IGEL has helped universities to maximize their resources, to enhance their security, endpoint security, and improved user experience at 3 universities we will look at today. So the first university I'd like to tell you about is that at Ayrshire College. Ayrshire College is based in Kilmarnock in Scotland. And they have 3 campus sites and future expansion plans. And their challenge was one of disparity and inflexibility. Their end user computing environment was very diverse. It was dispersed as well, and they had aging hardware, so PCs and laptops, and they wanted to create a flexible learning environment with the use of technology, and they explored many options and chose IGEL because it standardized and simplified their endpoint. So they were able to repurpose those aging PCs and laptops, and this installation of IGEL OS on those devices took minutes, which was a feature that their IT admin team much appreciated. A capability IGEL has that really helped their compatibility and their transition to a end user computing environment was that IGEL has a comprehensive and a broad partner ecosystem. And this is constantly growing with the IGEL Ready program. Also, IGEL is VDI and cloud ready in that it is compatible and stays in lockstep with Citrix and VMware and their client versions. And the unified communications compatibility IGEL offers with Citrix was the ability to use Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Cisco, WebEx, Jabra and Avaya, and the students could just plug in their headsets and it worked. So they didn't have any complications with compatibility. This is an overview of the IGEL Ready ecosystem. It changes constantly. It's constantly updated as more and more technology partners become verified. And here you can see an overview of the different technology solutions that work with IGEL. The second college I would like to talk to you about today was that Saskatchewan Polytechnic, or Sask Poly, otherwise known as. And they want to deploy an entire and using a computing environment and have a secure management of that environment. They looked into several options. They needed this solution to be able to scale. They have 4 dispersed campuses and 16,000 students, and they looked into several options, chose IGEL OS, and were impressed with the simplicity of IGEL UMS, how they were able to, even remotely, to manage those IGEL OS powered endpoints. And also the quick and easy deployment, and the possibility for zero touch deployment with the ICG, even off campus. They set up the possibility to do drag and drop profiling, and the body updates helped them overcome challenges in areas of limited bandwidth. And also secure shadowing was a feature that really helped them support endpoints that are off the campus location remotely, and that via the IGEL Cloud Gateway. So they were all IGEL features that helped them a lot. Another capability of IGEL really that impressed them was just to see the possibility to customize with the university branding to give the endpoints a familiar look and feel, and that helped with a seamless user adoption by the students. The third university that we will look into here is that of the University of Lethbridge, in particular the Dillon School of Business, also based in Canada. Their challenge was one of security. They had aging hardware, unsupported software, and this was exposing their finance center, which is a unique facility they offer to security risk. They needed to find a solution to help them overcome this. They chose IGEL because IGEL OS powered endpoints are 100% lockdown. IGEL OS has a modular read-only file system. It makes it tamper resistant. Users could not move icons or introduce malware or viruses to the endpoint. Also the ease of updates that could be pushed out via a secure cryptographic signature process from the UMS to those IGEL OS, helping them to keep up to date with their software versions. And also the integrated security technologies that are compatible with IGEL OS, USB management, secure keyboard, and secure printing management. These were all areas that helped the University of Lethbridge. They also liked the shared workplace feature, the ability to use one device by multiple users, and the profile is determined at login. And this is all easy to be managed and assigned and managed with the IGEL remotely with the IGEL Universal Management Suite. And also the IGEL UD Pocket enabled them in times of overflow to allow their students secure and temporary access to college apps, data, and course content from their personal PCs. They also use the UD Pocket to set up a secure exam environment or account, which enabled them to which prevented them from having to touch each endpoint individually. They issued a UD Pocket with a login, and the student was able to access that exam environment securely. So this is in a nutshell, a quick overview of how IGEL helped those universities, the unique capabilities that improved user experience, whereas the IGEL Ready, the unified communications compatibility, shared workplace, and IGEL UD Pocket. You can see there are some of the capabilities IGEL OS helped those universities with. I thank you for your attention. Today, if you want more information on any of these universities, you can go to igel.com. There on the resource library, you can see different customer stories, videos, and also there's solution brief and info sheet on higher education, unified communications. So the resource library on igel.com is well worth looking at for further resources and assets. I'll hand you back over to James for the rest of your IGEL Friday session. Thank you.